rear light cluster bulbs renewal. First, you will need to remove the light unit. Open the tailgate and remove the access panel. Remove the plastic wing nut fixings. On S-Max models, disconnect the wiring plug. Now remove the light unit from the vehicle. Remove the screws and then release the bulb holder. Push and twist the relevant bulb anti-clockwise to remove it from the bulb holder. Where a wedge or capless bulb is fitted, pull the bulb straight out. Fit the new bulb into the bulb holder and then refit the bulb holder to the light unit by tightening the screws. Position the light unit back into the tailgate. Then refit the lamp retaining plastic wing nut fixings and reconnect the wiring plug. Refit the plastic trim to the interior of the tailgate.